Refreshing peach coffee smoothie recipe, easy and delicious. Hey there, smoothie lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly unique and delicious for you, peach coffee smoothie. Yes, you heard it right, the perfect blend of fruity sweetness with a kick of coffee. Let's dive right into it. Ingredients. Fresh ripe peaches 2. Chilled brewed coffee 1 cup. Greek yogurt 1/2 cup. Honey or maple syrup 1-2 tablespoons, adjust to taste. Ice cubes 1 cup. Optional. A dash of cinnamon for extra flavor. Instructions. Next, it's time to blend. Add in your ripe peaches, followed by the chilled brewed coffee. Now, for that creamy texture and a punch of protein, let's add in our Greek yogurt. And of course, a touch of sweetness. Drizzle in your honey or maple syrup to taste. Now, don't forget the secret ingredient to any good smoothie, ice cubes. And finally, if you're feeling adventurous, sprinkle in a bit of cinnamon for that extra flavor boost. Now, it's time to blend until smooth and creamy. And voila! Our peach coffee smoothie is ready to be poured and enjoyed. Look at that beautiful texture and vibrant color. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. Absolutely delicious. The sweetness of the peaches perfectly complements the boldness of the coffee. It's like summer and mornings all in one sip. Give this recipe a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy blending.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.